Now we're going to be talking about what could potentially be one of the biggest scandals in cryptocurrency right now. Now, of course, you can run, you can hide, you can get as far away from scandals as possible, or you can take advantage of them. Guys, the volatility in Mantracoin right now is insane. If you take a look at this, imagine being able to get in just a couple of minutes ago and riding this from 46 cents all the way back up to 66 cents. That is a 50% gain in the last couple of hours. And to be honest, we might see a full recovery depending on the reason it fell down. Meaning we could go 10x from 60 cents all the way up to $6. So let's discuss what is going on with Mantra, why it's being called one of the biggest scandals in crypto, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro, and OKX's CEO calls OM collapse the biggest scandal going on right now as it wiped out $5.5 billion. Now, jumping into this, I want to say this. We're going to go over this article, talk about all of the details, but if you guys are interested in buying Mantracoin, if you're interested in buying and owning this OM token, you can go out to Best Wallet. There's a link in the description to download Best Wallet. You're going to be able to not only buy it, you're going to be able to hold it on the blockchain, and you're going to be able to take advantage of any recovery that we have from here on out. And if you take a look, we're already starting to recover big time over the last couple of hours here. So if this is the bottom, if the bottom is in, this could be an excellent time to enter a position that could potentially see 10x gains. And we're going to talk in a minute at the end of the video here how you can also buy something with a little less risk going on right now and still see some major rewards throughout 2025. But it says the recent collapse of Mantra's DAO token, or OM token, has stirred controversy across the crypto space, but none more forcefully than the reaction from OKX CEO, who labeled the event a big scandal for the entire crypto space. With OM losing over 90% of its value within hours yesterday, the CEO's calls for accountability and transparency are now echoing across the sector. The crash wiped out $5.5 billion and was linked to a suspicious $41 million deposit reportedly associated with insiders. Now, OKX CEO, he did not hold back, calling the event a scandal for the whole crypto industry. He pledged to release full collateral and liquidation data, pushing for on-chain transparency in light of the controversy. All of the on-chain unlock and deposit data is public. All major exchanges' collateral and liquidation data can be investigated. OKX will make all of its reports ready, he wrote on X. Now, according to on-chain analysts, a wallet linked to Laser Digital moved 3.92 million OM tokens into OKX. The wallet had reportedly received the OM stash from the market maker GSR 1 year ago. Now, amid the panic, rumors of discounted OTC token deals at 50% off market value spread, triggering cascade of liquidations on OKX and Binance, particularly during low liquidity hours in Asia. Now, Mantra's denial and market chaos as liquidations escalated. It said, in response, Mantra co-founder John Patrick Mullen issued a statement via X deflecting blame towards these centralized exchanges. He said, OM market movements were triggered by reckless forced closures initiated by centralized exchanges, Mullen said, calling the timing negligent at best or possibly intentional. So what we have here are centralized exchanges blaming Mantra. Mantra blaming centralized exchanges. And I don't know how this story is going to play out, but what I do know is this volatility is in full swing right now. And if we could take advantage of it as traders, if we could take advantage of it as investors, we absolutely should. So if you guys are looking to trade, even if you're looking to trade on leverage, you've got the KSEX exchange down in the description. If you're looking to hold, you have got the Best Wallet link down in the description. Either way, you're going to be able to get your hands on OM token. You're going to be able to take advantage of all of the volatility. Now, if you're looking for a token that's a little less volatile and one that is steadily rising in the ranks, you've got Solaxy out there. Solaxy is the first layer 2 blockchain being built on Solana, and it is absolutely phenomenal right now, raising $30 million. Ready to cross $30.1 million in its ICO activity, 70,000+ followers out on its X account. It's 73,000 actually, 776,000 impressions on its pinned tweet alone. It is insane how well Solaxy is growing, and you guys can grab some by clicking that link down in the description, buying with crypto, buying with card, and then connecting your best wallet. Don't forget that link down for best wallet as well, so that you guys have the correct version of best wallet there. And of course, typing in how much you want, and then readying those tokens for claiming on launch day. I want to know what you guys are doing. I'm taking advantage of this situation the best that I can. Let me know if you are, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.